Hi everybody, it's Ramona. I am at Michael's and I have something new to show you. They have received some products by Prima. So the first one that we have is Mixed Media Essentials, and we have heavy gesso in white, heavy gesso in black, molding paste, 3D gloss gel, soft gloss gel, and texture paste in white sand is the color of it. So you get all of those for $25.99. Now this is all the fun part here. So we have some micro powder sets. Look at these pretty colors, guys. The camera's not doing the justice of how pretty these are. So you get 6 of those for $12.99. I'll give you the product number and everything. You might have to, I don't know if you have to use that when trying to order online, because I know some of you don't live near a Michael's, but I'll try to give you the whole number, the product ID number if I can. So these are the micro beads. Look how pretty. I love the rose gold. So you get 6 of those for $12.99. Okay. And now we have the the micro powder flakes. And my favorite micro powder is the rose gold again. I keep saying micro and it's mica. I don't know why I do that. I do that all the time. Got micro beads in my brain because of that one right there, I guess. So that's not too bad. $6.99 for 6 of those. And here comes what I call fairy dust. This is glitter. Look how pretty. Really, really pretty colors. And that is $9.99 for 6 of those. Okay, and now this is so cool, guys. Look at this multi-purpose paste. Look at the colors, and now look at what it does. Is that not cool? It's so pretty. Okay, so that there is, let me get the camera in here and get it to focus. So it's $14.99, and then we have the patina effect right next to it. I'll give you that number right now. Okay, so this is patina, and then this is what it looks like. So pretty, guys. Okay, so I wanted to give you guys a quick look at that. Remember, you can use your Aaron Brothers coupon at Michael's because they are the same company under the same umbrella, and this is in with all the mixed media stuff that they have here right next to Delusions and Tim Holtz and stuff like that. So anyway, I thought that was kind of exciting to see Prima and Michael's like this. So hope you guys have a great weekend. Talk to you later. Bye.